Oracle Cloud Contract Management. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and in this 7-part video series, I'll teach you how to create contract terms in Oracle Cloud. In lesson 1, we'll create a section. So let's get started. Okay, so we're logged in here, as you can see, as Calvin Roth. Calvin is a contract administrator, has the contract administrator role. So with that, we're going to select, or try to select, here we go, the contract management functional area. And then from there, Calvin will select the terms library application. Now, since we want to enter a section, we'll go here and find what we'll call it the manage sections page, if you will. And so I'm going to set the searched section, click advanced. That would show me all the sections. If I wanted to search and see what options were available, I could do it here, but I'm just going to add my section. So I will add insurance here. This section contains the insurance terms, or we could say, let's say clauses, right? All right, I can set the start date and I can put an end date, and then I'm going to click save and close. And that's how you create a section in Oracle Cloud. If you have any questions, reach out to me on the link below. Okay, that's it for this video, but make sure to watch the entire free course on Panameer.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.